Thank you, ma'am, for coming back again. Guys, let me tell you, we had a lovely conversation earlier, and again, we are going to have a conversation. So, first of all, ma'am, let's.
Conversation on social media. So it is
Yes,
our
ma'am.
topic on social media.
Yes, 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 ma'am. So, today we will discuss about social media, that the advantage and disadvantage of social media, how social media can help us to improve our English language. So, we will discuss one by one, and
Yeah.
yes. So the first question is, ma'am, is social media good or bad? So now we will discuss about it.
Yeah. Would also it's also not good because there are so many advantage or also disadvantage. So firstly we will discuss about advantage, then we will go with disadvantage.
Yes,
So as we nowadays we are connecting to each other like by the social media. So it is the platform of the social media. Skype app is also the social media. So there are so many apps that we connect like person to person, like WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, so many etc. So many apps are also available. But if that is also good that we we were childhood and now we disconnect our friends or also our relatives. So it is the good platform that we can connect easily and we can also talk. But that was not earlier at this time. It is common. It has become common that we can connect easily, but that was not earlier that we can't connect easily. And this time we do not only call, we can connect by video call. So visualization, we can also see the person, that how is the person. And we can't go we can't go there and we can't meet to them. So we can connect by the video calling. So that is a good point. So it is the advantage of good. And if I talk about students, so that was a time that is the advantage of good. And if I talk about students, so that was a time that they hadn't any platform that they can search anything. But this time means the topics coming in my mind, and also we are getting stuck. So we get stuck, so that we can search immediately. And we can we can found so many things. So it is the good source of the accumulation of knowledge. So that is a good point. That but
yes, ma'am.
if I talk about disadvantage, this advantage, we are spending so much time. So that means we are we are going far from our goal. So if I give the example, students, so they use so much, you know they use the phone so much. So that is not good point. They are spending and also killing their time, because they are not learning anything. They are talking with person to person, and they are killing up mind, and they are running from the race. you know there is so much competition nowadays. So
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is not good. And also health, it is not also good for health. If we are using mobile and also anything, means we are connecting on social media. So uh, it is that we want to learn something. Like earlier there was, we got the news only by the newspaper. Okay, after the reading newspaper, we got the information. But this time we can also read the newspaper. There is no uh, uh, but this time the thing has changed, that we want to know about our world. So we can get information about the world immediately. And like I am sitting in India, and the person who is sitting in Malaysia, in any country. So we how can we connect? So it is it's so good thing that it is a good resource that we can connect easily, and we can have a conversation with them, and we can also crack the deal. So also it is a it is a uh, good resource for also our trade, our trading, for our trading.
Yes, ma'am,
So
you said it right that social media brought a huge change in all over the world. Yeah, you said it right. So, okay, so we have done that. Social media has pros and cons. Everything has a pros and cons. There is some advantage and disadvantage of social media, right? If we use social media for ourselves, then it will become a good weapon for us. And if we use it in a other way, then it can become harmful for us as well. You said right we are talking to each other right now through the medium of social media. If there is no Skype, then there was you know this was not possible. This is not possible ki we are able to talk to each other, right? So yeah, this is good. And if we talk about little bit about advantage, disadvantage, so this is our responsibility that how do we use social media. We have to control, we have to take charge of ourselves that how much time we should invest in social media and for what thing कि मैं किस चीज के लिए मैं सोशल मीडिया यूज कर रहा हूँ and how much advantage I will get whatever time I'm spending on social media. If right now if we are talking to each other, so we are spending our time, but we are spending our time to learning something, to learn something. And whereas if we right now if we use social media to watching videos, to watch Instagram reels, then we are spending our time, but we will not get any uh, advantage of social media. So yeah, this is right. These are the advantage and disadvantage of social media. Now, the second question is we will talk about how can we improve our English language by using social media? Because lots of people say, we do not have person to talk, we do not have anyone to practice. So, what we can say about it? Can we
yeah,
improve English? Can we
yes.
improve English language through social media? We do not need anyone to talk about to talk with.
Yeah, earlier when I started to learn this language, so that was offline classes I took it. So I will not say that it was not useful. Yeah, I didn't focus. That's why it was, it could worthless for me. So, but one thing, when the that was the time of COVID-19. So I started journey from this learning. So that was the online process. So it was the good. And but yeah, I didn't make consistency. So that's why it was the happen that I didn't focus on it. Yeah. So mm, how much we are indulging our time, okay, and we are getting how much we are getting the things, it depends on us. Like this time we are connecting via the Skype app. Okay, so that is the platform for learning this language. Okay, no need to that only this language. We can do another thing. It depends
Yes.
on us what we want to learn. And like we don't have any resource of hard copy, any novel, any drama, anything, any storybook. So like it is the available also you know on the social media, that we can download any story app, and also any drama app, and also novel. So it is the process of learning that how much we are getting, okay. So and how much we are rectify the things, so it depends on us. And another thing, like we had not any resources of listening. So how can we do it? It is also important that we are spending a lot of time, we are watching reels, so I think they are worthless. What are they learning? What are they getting? What they are not. How can you improve yourself? Yesterday I also listened one word from my sister-in-law, and I will also tell you. And one day I was watching video, so I accumulate the knowledge and I accumulate the words, that how can I improve my English. So that was the word occupied, that I am nowadays I am I'm so much occupied. Yeah, I'm occupied. So which means that you are so much busy.
Occupied means, you know, I was saying something. Um, Bound your time, something.
Yeah,
Bound your time for
yeah,
doing something. Occupied means, right?
yeah. Which
Yes.
means that we can, if we want to learn and also want to understand in easy ways, that which means that busy.
Easy.
Nowadays,
Yes.
I'm busy. Yeah. So now we didn't say, I didn't use, I don't use the word that I am busy. I changed the my conversation, having a conversation, in a impressive way. If we I
Yes.
want to make impression, so that I can use I am occupied nowadays.
We are we are occupied in a conversation.
Yeah.
Yes, we
So
can say yes.
these are the things that we can connect, or how am I improving my English? So that is the thing that I already told you, that I read any story, and also I'm spending the time on Facebook and also anything. So I'm reading that time. Whatever you can take any topic, so that you are scrolling your social media. So if it depends on you, that they will give a chance that if you want to read anything related to your topic, so they will they will give a chance and you start to reading. You are you are reading any you want to know about your Hollywood and also Bollywood stars and your favorite person. Okay. And you are watching anything, so try to start reading in English, because you will get a caption also. I forgot the word that we write down the things that on the caption.
Cap- Caption.
Sorry,
Caption.
no, I'm not getting. What did you say?
Caption. Caption.
Caption, yes. So
Yes.
like like I upload any photo, and I jot down the things that I want to write about the photos. So that was the caption you can get in English. So these are the things, learning point, that how much are you getting and how much are you cleaning your time. It depends only you, that you want to do something in your life, you want to become famous, and you want to improve and also change your life. If and you do not want to see anything in
Yes.
your
Yes. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
personality.
Yes, yes, you're right, very right. That we do not give excuses. That we have the biggest platform nowadays. लोग कुछ भी सीख सकते हैं. We can learn anything through using social media. So
Yes.
yes, you're right. Was all the discussion we had today, and thank you so much for coming again.
Yeah,
And
thank
we
you
will,
so much.
yes, yeah, we will come again for any another talk. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
it was a nice conversation, and thank you so
Yes.
much for giving your precious time. So, will you take class? Are you free now?
No, after that I'm going to take my classes, online classes.
Okay, bye bye. I'm